Hello. Today I will be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. I haven't played this game in a ton of time. So if you look at how bad I am. Look at that. I even have a free avatar. Wow. Look at my bees. Look at how bad they are. Look at them. Ew. I don't want to look at them. Oh, this is a good hiding spot if you're playing hide and seek. Bee Swarm Simulator. What the heck is this? You didn't think that anybody would go behind there, did you? Oh my god, stop. And, well, thanks. Okay, I can do the spider thing. Oh yeah, the bee's mist thing is still here for 4 days. Oh my god, I gotta wait an hour. How? I have never stayed in a game for an hour. Let's go. Could anybody give me some boost? Snowstorm. Let's go to stupid spider that I hate. Oh my god! What? Two came out! Two came out! No, two came out! Two came out! I'm gonna just... Do you need stuff from over here? No. I need stuff from over here. So this is the whole entire game. By the way, I'm gonna tell you guys something. If you pay to win, you're cringe. And I'm never going to be pay to win because I'm poor. Look, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. 0. I have 0 Robux, so I will never be able to pay to win cringe. So that's good. I'm going to turn off this stupid music. Now you can finally hear me. I never have the music turned off because I'm never making videos about Bee Swarm Simulator, but looks like that I'm having it off. If you want to play this game and suffer, it's called Bee Swarm Simulator. So weird without the music. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost have 400k. Honey. Yes, I'm fast. Yeah, I don't care. Huh? What's this? No. Yay! I have 15. I'm fast. What was that sound? So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going sub or I will break your kneecaps.